Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up here in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through 151 Mountain Lake Road over in Big Bear Lake area, Fox Farm neighborhood too. So come check this cutie pie gambrel out. Okay, here we are from the street over in Fox Farm neighborhood. Neighbors a rental. You will see a car here in just a second. That is Fox Farm Road. So if you go to Fox Farm Road, go right, you get to grocery stores, the village, the ski slopes. You go left, you can get over to Moonridge, you can get to Big Bear City, but definitely a great area to get through the back roads of Big Bear Lake. So Fox Farm is just pretty centrally located. So this one is on the market by a local agent with EXP. One thing to note is all these beautiful, big, huge pine trees on the property. And the bird noises too. So we've got a driveway here. Easily could fit like 4 or 5 cars on the driveway, but you could get a boat or RV parking through the gate as well. We will go out back closer to the end of the tour. So another thing to note, maybe a paint job on it. The blue is still in good shape a little bit. There's some peeling paint in some areas, but overall it's not bad. And then the roof looks like they have, it looks fairly new. These gambrels, these roofs last a little bit longer because you're not getting pine needles and snow and ice sitting on the roof. It's just gonna fall off. But typically this is what a gambrel is. Most gambrels that you will see up here are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, but this one is a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. So the layout is really unique on this one. I sold one just last month over in Big Bear City, Whispering Forest, exact same floor plan, but remodeled on that one. So these trees, big old pine tree, if you smell the trees, they smell like vanilla too. So that's kind of fun. We've got a deck on the front. All the neighbors are really well maintained. It's almost like this one's the smallest house on the block too. You could definitely add on to it. You're allowed to take up to 60% of your lot size. So you definitely have room to grow with this one. So another thing to note, they do have dual pane windows all throughout. And let's go take a look inside. So one thing I can tell that you cannot tell is it smells amazing in here. I'm not sure what they did. Maybe it's that plug-in above the fireplace, but it is powerful and very pleasant smell. So wood paneling all throughout the house. What I have seen on a lot of homes is people will paint this wood paneling like a white or a taupe or some kind of neutral color. Will definitely brighten this living room up a lot more. We could replace some furniture too and some of the floors. The carpet is actually in really good shape. So it'd be kind of heartbreaking to do it, but this place is screaming for some kind of white walls and wood floors. So we are in the living room. Maybe mount the TV is a move that I would make. But they've got these beautiful big header beams, and they have already taken a step to paint the top ceiling white. It does not appear that they have used this as a short-term rental at all. Typically, you will see signs of it in here, but I don't see any kind of notes or anything for any of the guests. So, fireplace, gas fireplace. You have a gas starter right here. It's kind of that older rock 80s, 70s, 80s look. A lot of people, well, one thing I did was tear this all out and build a wood burning stove because my fireplace actually used to look like this. And if you'd like to see it, drop me a note and I will get you pictures of what we did differently. Another thing I've seen people do is paint this white, paint this black, just try and take that 70s, 80s look out of it. But very functional fireplace. So they do have a wall heater, so no central heating in the home. The home is going to be heated by the wall heater and then also by the fireplace. Another thing that you could do, cut some vents in the ceiling so that the heat can rise up versus having it to have to go up the stairs. So we've got new vinyl flooring in the kitchen, it looks like. An updated stove and refrigerator. Nice little dining area. Probably do something more like a long rectangular table just so that it doesn't break up the room and come into it too much. Definitely would suggest a kitchen remodel. You could do a light remodel by just doing can lighting up here, take the recessed lighting out, painting that brick, maybe a gray color, I think would liven it up, and also maybe some new countertops. These are just that wood Formica, but I think overall, like, these are great for a cabin. People don't really have much more expectations than something like this. It's functional, it's just older. You could get away with the sink if your countertops were much more amazing. So just a couple little things that I would do. Now we are going to walk into the laundry room and the first bathroom. So laundry room, you've got washer dryer, storage area for laundry, so brooms, mops, dustpans, things like that. And then we've also got another closet back here. Let's see, I'm gonna take a wild guess that it is a water heater. Yes, I'm right. And it looks newer, but it is not strapped. And it does not have a pan underneath. So 2 things that would need to happen in order for this home to sell. All right, so on to the next. We're gonna go into the bathroom. So same floors, same vinyl floors. Nicely done. Kind of like a dark chocolate bathroom, but somewhat updated. Little decals on the walls. And pretty good storage for the bathroom. The home I just sold actually had just probably only this much storage, and all of this was a shower and bathtub. We've got a shower. So one bathroom downstairs, and then you're gonna have one more upstairs. So I'm gonna head up that way. But for the second person in the home, if somebody's showering, would need to come down here or walk all the way around the house, or, you know, you get the point. Here is a nice storage closet. One thing that you could do is, if you were going to rent it, just keep this closet locked. Keep your personal stuff in it, all of your extra towels, paper towels, supplies for when the renter comes to clean. Kind of like a vaulted ceiling starting around here. You've got actually another wall heater up here, so they are probably run off the same because there's no thermostat other than the one downstairs. So here is bedroom 1. Painted just about the same color as the outside of the home. Queen bed. Dual pane windows. Decals. And a closet. Pretty deep closet too. Just really appears to be a second home for these owners. I don't really see too much sign that they have used it in a while. I love that bed frame. It's really vintage and beautiful. Same with this piece of furniture. So bedroom 2, slightly bigger than bedroom 1. Let's check out their closet. And just about the same. A little bit smaller for the closet space. Next. And again, I would paint these walls up here because this is just all throughout and it's a bit much. And then this would be more of your master bedroom. So really large, oversized bedroom. Could easily scoot your king over here, put another bunk set or something if you wanted to in here. Very large room. And then they've also got a closet. But I would think if the home were updated just a little bit with some of the modifications that I talked about, it would probably make somewhere around $50,000. Another thing you'd want to do is add a hot tub as well. Those are decals also. So you do have a little heater on the inside of the bathroom so that it's not freezing in here. Got a mint green kind of color in the bathroom. These are really interesting too. To kind of use that wall space really well. Just updated countertops. In the shower, you could get away with it if the rest of it was great. But a lot of people might want to update this from this mustard tile and to something else. But if you had a white bathroom and the brown floors and that, and the right curtain and the green was gone, I think I see the vision. Maybe a better shower head too. So next, we are going to go outside and see what they have to offer out there. Let me go up back since we've kind of already been in the front. We've got a nice little deck back here. Probably get a little hot tub back here if you wanted to. Might have to do some reinforcing on the deck as well. The white seems like it's been painted recently. The bottom part of the deck, not so much. So you've got a property line right here that separates you from your neighbor this way. This lot actually looks like it belongs, it kind of comes this way and goes over that way to this brown house right here. So very interesting lot line. I know these people, and I think they've told me about this before. So walking around, got again some big old pine trees. You got this one that kind of leans really hard. Look at that. But it looks very strong. Doesn't look like it's appearing to bother the house at all. Might be some sort of fruit tree right here as well. So there we have it. Again, 151 Mountain Lake Road in Fox Farm area of Big Bear. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Missing a stair right here. It's a little bit too high. 1320 square foot. Has been on the market for just a wee little bit of time, a couple weeks. And they are listed at $549. And if you would like to come take a look, just let me know. I will be here. Talk to you later.